It has been way too long since I've done an HBAR update, so that's what we're going to do today. Farming, staking, news, all of that. HBAR fans, here we go. Welcome back to the APY Guy channel. I try to bring you the best sources of passive income through farming and staking of blue chips like HBAR today and low market cap gems that can have huge gains in the next bull market. If any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Drop a like on this video, I would really appreciate it. Nothing on this channel or in this video is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. First of all, let's congratulate Hedera Network for 7 billion plus transactions. That's an amazing accomplishment driven by the innovative applications, ecosystems, and retail users on the open source public Hedera Network. 7 billion plus mainnet transactions. Congratulations. I know I've made a few hundred at least, maybe 1,000, I'm not sure. Okay, let's look at some of the applications that I normally use on Hedera, on HBAR. HeliSwap is one of them. They still have some pretty cool farms and staking on their site. That's app.heliswap.io. I have covered this project multiple times. They have a nice swap where you can swap many different tokens around, and they do have some pretty cool farms. If we take a look down here, actually they've added some new ones that are that have some pretty high APRs that I might have to reconsider what I am doing. Some of them are over 200% APR, and the Heli token has held its value a lot more than I thought it would. So it's possible that I might get into some of those. The Heli HBAR pair is doing 146% APR. And then the USDC Heli pool, our farm, is doing 249.5% APR, which is pretty darn good. HST, somebody was telling me about this in the comments. We're going to have to take a look at the chart for that here in a second. What HST is, it is an accelerator slash kind of launch pad for Hedera. If we take a look at their site really quick here, headstarter.org, it's a project accelerator and launch pad of the Hedera hashgraph ecosystem. Headstarter is curating the best early stage Hedera hashgraph projects and connecting them with the community and decentralized funding. Pretty cool stuff. I probably should do a whole video on that project. It's not going to be part of this video. I don't want to make this video super long, but it's definitely worth a look. The chart's down. It's down quite a bit right now, 1.5 cents now, but it looks like it's a promising project. And that HST Heli pool is paying 145.3% APR. If we go to the second page here, let's see, is there anything that sticks out to me here? USDC HBAR, I should say, is 25%. Then USDC HBARX, which would probably be the better one to get into because it's staked. Liquid HBAR is the same percentage, a little bit less. I'm in just the HBAR/HBARX. That's what I'm always in. Only paying out 10%, but that's what I've always gotten into. It's safe, and basically my strategy on this is to stake that HBAR, and I'll get rewards on the HBARX because it's a liquid staking token. Then the rewards I get from farming it, I take those and I convert them into straight up HBAR, and then I send those into my hashgraph wallet, or hashpack wallet. I said hashgraph. Hashpack wallet that is hooked up to my ledger, so it's safe as possible. Hashpack is one of the better wallets in my opinion, but I definitely want that extra security, so that's why I have it hooked up to my ledger. Okay, I wanted to take a look at the price of the Heli token. It's a little over 2 cents here. In CoinGecko, they don't go that far back. It only goes back to the 20th of April. Let's see, Coin Market Cap has a little bit longer history, it looks like. No, about the same. So it looks like it was at 2.4 cents, and it's kind of kept its value. Kind of gone down like a lot of the altcoins have recently, with that kind of a downturn in the market. But some of those APRs could make up for the downturn of the price of the token. I'm just sticking to the HBAR HBAR. The one that kind of sticks out to me though is possibly that the one that has the HST token. I wish there was a pool that was HST and HBAR. There's not, I don't see, but lots of cool pools in here, or farms. Some are a bit riskier than others. Some pay out just an HBAR and Heli token, and some of them pay in multiple rewards tokens. So I'm a fan of Heli Swap. I've been in it since like day 2, I believe. They also, this is new, I think, is where you can buy crypto with fiat here, powered by C14. That's new. I have not tried it. It's unfortunate there isn't that many on-ramps yet still. I'm still going through Coinbase every time I on-ramp fiat if I have to, or off-ramp fiat. Seems like Coinbase is the only real good way to do it. And if you on-ramp, it takes, almost, I think it's about a week for your funds to be available to send to other places, except for if you do a wire transfer. So this might be something to try. Not sure what the fees are on this. It looks like for $40, I guess we can try it here. USD, let's do 500 and see what happens. The fees would be, total fee would be $20. That's not that bad actually. So might be something to look into in the future. One last thing to look at here is the ecosystem. They show all the projects that they are partnered with to have the farms, like Headstarter, Hashtree, some of the other ones. A lot of these are, I think, NFT projects. Jam looks kind of cool, decentralized music streaming, which is a cool project. So there's quite a few on here. Stater Labs is the liquid staking for the HBAR token. Okay, next we're going to go over to Saucer Swap. Okay, here is Saucer Swap. This is the first DEX that I have used, that I used on Hedera, and it stood the test of time. It's doing really well. I like what they're doing with the Saucer token. We'll look at that in a minute. But I've gone over this project multiple times. It's got a cool DEX for swapping, liquidity. There's farming, lots of cool farms on here. Now, there's a new farm on here that I was excited to do this video about. It's HBAR and AVAX, and it's paying out at 130, total is 133.24% APY, 95.2% APR. I need to put more into this. I don't have anything to put in today, but I'm going to in the future. And there is another really cool one, I believe is still on here. It is Quant HBAR, which is paying out at 15.27% APR. I really like what they're doing here on Saucer Swap. They're giving you options to have exposure to some of these other coins that you would not be able to otherwise stake and earn rewards. Like Quant. I don't know anywhere else to stake Quant. If you know a place, please tell me. I want to stake Quant, but I can't find anywhere else besides here. And then the other one was AVAX and HBAR. That's a heck of a farm. That's, and that's paying out, over 100% APY. That's a no-brainer on that one. I got to get more into this. LCX, that's another one. 47.74 APR, or percent APR. 57.39% APY. I honestly think that Saucer Swap has the best chain link in HBAR. I think they have the best farms in the business. Like, I don't know anywhere else that has better farms than Saucer Swap, to be honest with you. And what they're doing with the sauce token too is cool. I'm gonna show you that in a second here. But just look at these, like the HBAR, like I'm in that one just because it's safe. But then you come down here, you got HBAR HST. That's the Head Starter project I was talking about. That's paying out at 29.53% APY. Quant HBAR 17.49. If you're an ETH fan, you got your ETH pool, Bitcoin, and then you got even stablecoin pairs. You're doing 20% APR or APY. Chainlink, this is just too much. They had such good stuff here, and then plus the sauce token isn't your normal reward token you just throw away or you swap out for whatever. They got a staking program where the way it works is you earn triple rewards without risk of impermanent loss. So what you do is you stake your sauce here and you receive X sauce, and the X sauce you can actually put it into these farms. So any of these farms that have X sauce, like this one here or this one here with HBAR, you can get more rewards. It's awesome. And then the step 2, this is coming soon. You stake your X sauce in the community pools, and you earn the HTS tokens. Those are the Hedera token service tokens. So if we look at the farms, these are going to be solid projects. Let's see. One's, stablecoin, USDC, fonts, is it one of them? I just don't know if they're going to let you pick. You can earn Bitcoin maybe. You can earn DAI. You can earn Link. I'm not sure how that's going to work exactly. It says more details. Let's click on more info and see what it has to say here. Community pools. This is something another day. I don't want to make this video go forever, but you get the idea. You're staking your X sauce and you're getting rewards in solid blue chip projects. And then it says, see, then there's going to be an NFT type thing. That's the step 3. I'm happy with step 1. Stake my sauce, get my X sauce. Then I take the X sauce and I put it into these pools with either more sauce tokens or HBAR. I think that's the only 2. Let's see. X sauce is just, and Lucky. I'm not sure what Lucky is, but you see what I mean. There's these solid, definitely solid farms. I think they're the best farms. If there's better farms, leave them in the comments, and we'll go battle. We'll battle Saucer Swap versus any other farm in the business. Show me a better one. Okay, so then here they have the stake. We already went through that. You can bridge tokens over. We don't need to do that right now. And then that shows your portfolio. That shows what I have in there. Okay, so now let's go to CoinGecko because I want to take a look at the Saucer Swap token. And it's been down like everything else. It's been down the last few days. Down quite a bit though. Yeah, it's down quite a bit. It got up to almost over 3.5 cents at one point. I think that's its all-time high. All-time high is 3.68 cents. All-time low is 1.7 cents. All right, my challenge to you guys in the comments: leave a better farm. I don't care what blockchain it is, what network. I want a better farm than these. I want you to show me something that's solid blue chip projects that's paying out. The AVAX pool is what? Would we say over 100% APY? 133.24% APY. Show me one that's a better blue chip pool than that, and in all networks. Okay, well, I just want to show you guys and update you on this because I think HBAR is going to be great in next bull run. I see it getting at least to 50 cents. I don't know what you guys predict it to be. I say at least 50 cents. That's a 10x from here. And then you get these farms with great APYs. If it gets a big run up, what's the all-time high for HBAR currently? Let's see. I think it's over 50 cents, isn't it? I'm probably way low on my prediction, but I try to be conservative on that. Yeah, its all-time high is 56.9 cents. So it's going to get back to its all-time high. even though it's, you know, somewhat inflationary, I think it still gets back up to its all-time high. Circulating supply is 31.15. That's not going to change that much in that year and a half. It might be to 33 or 34 maybe million, or billion, I should say. And the total supply, max supply, is 50 billion. So, all right, but yeah, just leave. I want you guys to show me a better staking or better farm. I'll leave those in the comments. I just wanted to do a quick review of HBAR, one of my favorite projects, one of my biggest bags. As always, guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it, and have a great day.